a shame to Jacinta. It's a shame to Jacinta because she have ruled her own family and she thinks she can rule everyone, and I never met even one meeting with her. And now she will see the real truth of umhlaba. Ngiyakutshela mina. Kasebexakile iyobuya futhi sasa. Kodwa kwamanje ngokwe-insult abangi-insulte ngayo mina nginezinto eyijuleleyo engizaziyo ngabo that I never announce in public because ngikhulile. Emveni kwalokho I decided to be quiet and also to tell them straight ukuthi umuntu akayihlula yodwa indoda yakhe ayihluleke, angahambe funa ukuhlula wonke umuntu. Mina nje nophakela I can confirm that we have been used. Ukuthi someone must climb the ladder and then silibambele thina, and then when you reach the rooftop and then alikhahleli ladder, and then in human nature. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Is that when someone climbs the ladder and kick the ladder while you are holding the ladder, that is the biggest betrayal of them all. And then you allow the person to cruise as they cruise and hold different meetings as they wish. You don't say anything, just one meeting. Then the whole country come shaken. Ngimdala kule nto mina ngikade ngangikho nangu unrest ngangikho ngingakwazi ukulenza iqiniso la fanele ngenza khona ngabhekana nezimpi ngayingoba namanje ngikwazi ke mina experience enginayo bese ngizodlala izingane engakaze zibone ngisho nje umnyango we-police station ukuthi njalo.
Ngicela ukuza nje ukugcina umbuzo ngacingwana bazokuthatha nabanye ozakwethu. Mawuthi nina nophakela umthakathi you were used. Usho ukuthini nathi you were used how, by who?
By Jacinta.
How?
She has been begging us for several times to join the March and March. March and March was about not more than 20 people rushing on the street. She has been crying out privately and publicly. And then mase kube yama kunjani lapha mangimtshela ukuthi mina yazi abanga ukuthi siye lapha nakade ngikhuluma ndabandaba abo siye lapha eEastern Cape. Wathi ayasiyeni wenza iposter wenza ngoba iMarch and March yale eEastern Cape. Yayizothini? Ngasathi nayi kulungile ngoba mina ngifuniwa ibrand yayodwa. Phakela walwa yena wathi hayi ninsizwa nomsizwa washo waqima angazi imisizwa nomsizwa nani nami sengicabanga lokusuku lentombi nomntombi foundation. So manje and then ngathi mina no professionally ibrand yeMarch and March asibe under yona. You are happy or you are not happy. Wangihleli babona ukwethu wangidalela sahamba sa Eastern Cape sayixosha inkosi yamagwalagwala. Emveni kwalokho the rest is history. The whole South Africa was shaken, and the March and March was highly successful against illegal immigrants. We has been supporting March and March. So now, our support is no longer important and is no longer relevant. So she must remain on her own, and she must go back to the issues and young interns and aqoqayo abantu abaqoqayo adle lezimali ayitholileyo mina engizinge ngizaziyo ukuthi uyithole kuphi yabona ngaphandle nangaphakathi aqhubeke enze yonke leyo mina ngeke mina ngihambe ngikhuluma into engingayazi ngoba ngathi manje Cyril hlala la Mandla ngahlala la Jacinta hlala la Phakela hlala la, and it's an insult that unomongameli ohlele ecarry back of money. So mabamthuka political bamthuke political yabona mina ngiqala ukuhlangana nomongameli. I've met Thabo Mbeki, I've met Nelson Mandela, I've met Zuma. Mawuhlangana noZuma kuthiwa wow usikhonzele kubaba akushiwo ukuthi uzokunika imali. Mawuhlangana noThabo Mbeki kuthiwa mzizi wabe academic president. Mawuhlangana noCyril kuthiwa khona uzobuhle. no 2014 nayishorent wathiwa mina ngidle imali u-15 million kodwa ngithe mangishelwa izindlu atholakala izindlu zotshala ikhona inja engathola u-15 million ihlile nawo kwakha nje noma kuthiwa nje i-subsidy eyodwa nje ngoba mina lo ngazalwa kaze ngisebenze lo ngazalwa mina kaze ngihole lo ngazalwa mina nje akakaze nje ngidayise imbuzi kube khona engikutholayo abafazi bami bonke ngaxhaswa abafazi bami bonke abe-corruption imizi engayakhile imisebenzi engayenza phambi kobabamkhulu yonke ye-corruption. So South Africa, you must wake up and stand for the truth. The truth shall set you free, and it will help you, even personally, in your own bed. That you must know, Gucci. When you want likes and you want relevance against other people's name, you are on your own, because you shall die, and dying lying while other people are speaking the truth and respecting their ancestors.
Thank you very much, Mato.